Española de Cooperación Internacional. This is a project of the government of Spain to promote the translation of languages, in this case of India, to Spanish. So there is a project that started 2008. There will be a translation coming, I hope, soon from Bengali, Tamil, Hindi to Spanish. The government of Spain has, this agency, Agencia Española de Cooperación Internacional, and also the Embassy of Spain has some budget allowed them to do translations of all types of documents. Okay, so before we continue, I would like to thank all of you who came from all over India, our colleagues from abroad. This is your house. We just transferred a month ago, so if you find anything that is inconvenience, the aircon too cold, sometimes there will be brownouts, and we know where we are. So sorry, apologies for that in advance. And then I would like to give pass the word to the coordinator of this workshop and further meetings tomorrow and the day after, Mr. Ravi. Thank you.
I express my sincere thanks to Annya, His Excellency Ambassador of Cuba, who has agreed to be our chief guest and honor our activities by supporting all our actions that we have taken so far. I must admit that the contribution that Instituto Cervantes has done to this workshop is remarkable, because they have not only provided us support, but they have been behind all activities that we have been doing and supporting it through all their needs. I also like to thank our guest speakers who have come from Austria, as well as from Malaysia, to strengthen our activities by sponsoring their all visits to India. I extend my special thanks to Professor Rosabelle, the pioneer in translation theory, and my special thanks to the Chairman and Secretary General of DARNET, Dr. Gabrielle, as well as my special thanks to Peter Jones and Annya, all of them, and everyone all. I also want to extend my sincere thanks to everybody here who have come from different parts of India to strengthen our activities and be with us for next 3 days. Indeed, it is very important to mention that many times, probably because of the lack of human resources at Indian Translators Association, we may not have reached you the way you wanted. But it is my humble request to you all that you will understand that we are still baby and trying to grow, and strength will be derived when you join us and join hands.